should wear personal welding shield before starting welding. Please select a welding shield in front of you with a trigger button. We have passed welding work instructions for drainage pipe connections onto you. You should weld the pipe connection shown at the front using the welding machine with the right hand. Take the welding gun in your right hand and slowly weld them to the marked position. ISO paint caught on fire.
Huh? What's happening?
Let's get out of here!
A fire broke out during welding and someone died. If you look at the marked place, you can see the cause of the fire ignition. During the welding process, sparks flew up insulating material, which gradually spread and caused a big fire. Eventually, little sparks became a firestorm, killing one worker. Let us take a look at the checkpoints and safety regulations to prevent a welding fire. Wear personnel protective equipment, safety shoes, place and use a station a fire watcher who watches the risk of fire and takes charge of the main task for guiding workers to evacuate